Kelby, what are you doing here?
Quiet. They think I'm your lawyer. Just call me counselor.
Well, you couldn't be any worse than the last three. Make yourself comfortable. They got rooms like this one too. But it's not my fault.
Yeah, boss, I hear you. But hey, we got a plan to get you out of here.
It better be good. In fact, it better be a whole lot better than your last plan. And Kelby,
Yeah, boss.
it better not have anything to do with computer hacking. If you can't even pull one over on the likes of Fred and Nina, I think you better just get on out of the spy business.
Well, we got two plans. If plan A doesn't work, we go to plan B. First, we convince the court they have no jurisdiction over you.
You dimwit. That's how the other three lawyers ended up in here. And it's not my fault.
No? You like it? We dress you in a bathrobe, put some drool on your chin, and stick you in a wheelchair. Then we put Peachy in a nurse's uniform and wheel you right out of here. Then we have the Rangers provide cover fire while we get you to your private jet and fly you to Malta. It's brilliant. Huh, boss?
You twinkle toe twit. What jet? And where in the hell is Malta? You know that was all loaded BS. Besides, we pulled that one already in Hawaii. It's not like they won't be wise to the nursing patient routine. Are you telling me you can't do any better than that? You were fired. Again?
Wait, boss. I know what to do. You could just sit tight and wait for the RV and pay off the judge. Oki says Thursday of next week at the latest.
Oh, sure. And they're gonna let me keep all those Diener police out of the sheep rack. Maybe. You'd like me to turn state's evidence on you in exchange for my freedom? Now there's a solution. And it wouldn't be my fault.
Hey. You could sign an executive order. Oh, Bam Bam does it all the time and everybody knows he's a fake too.
I don't want to hear another word, and I don't want to see your tutu-covered fanny again until you come up with at least one intelligent idea on how to get me out of here. By the way, I'm still the president here, so you can kiss my feet now.